guys, so today we're going to make a really cute and adorable gift idea. We are going to make chocolate mice, and all these items can be purchased at the dollar store. What you will need, some really cute Hershey's Kisses. They come in all different colors, but I decided on pink because I thought it was so adorable. These cute little tiny pom-pom balls. They will make the nose for the mouse. So something to make the ears. I decided to go with these sparkle glitter hearts just because they're so cute and they're perfect size for the ears. But you can use cardstock, cardboard, whatever you'd like. Some Google eyes or wiggle eyes, of course. And some twill. I just decided to use the red and white twill that I already had, but you can use whatever color you'd like. All these items can be purchased at the Dollar Tree. So essentially you can make, let's say, a couple dozen mice for less than $10, and that's such a cute and sweet and thoughtful gift idea, especially a cute project for little kids to do, and kids would also love to get this as a gift. It's just so sweet and adorable. Alright, it's very simple to make, so let's get started. So this is all that you will need to make one mouse. 2 Hershey's Kisses, a 2 or 3 inch piece of twill, 1 little pom-pom, 2 of the little googly eyes, and your ears. First thing you're going to do, cut off the little paper on the end. Now we're going to add the eyes and use a small amount of glue, not too much. And place it down. Do the same thing on the other side. Place it down. Go ahead and get that nose in place. Cute little pom-pom nose. Again, you can make the nose any color. You can use different color pom-poms. You can make crazy colorful mice. Whatever you'd like. Here's how it's looking so far. Now we're going to add the ears. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue to the heart. Place it right on the back so it's glued on just like that. And now I'm just going to glue the second kiss to the first one. Just a little bit of glue. Just like that. And the last final detail, the tail. And you are all done. I'll get more done and show you what they're looking like. Again, this is fun for kids, adults, school projects, cute gift ideas. You can make a ton of them. But it's so cute. And again, they were all purchased at the dollar store. Cute little mouse. See how simple, quick, and easy these are. Again, purchasing all these items from the dollar store, you can make a ton of mice for just a few dollars. Alright, so I'm just cutting that part off. Now I'm going to add the eyeballs. Again, I'm using very scarce amounts of glue. Not much at all. There's one eyeball. Here's the second. Take your ears, put some glue on those. Just like that. And then glue the second kiss to the first one. But I'm putting the glue on the heart. Just like that. Okay. We'll go ahead and add our cute little nose. And the final touch is the tail. There you have it, another cute little mouse. So imagine having a ton of these. So cute. You could even put a note with the mice. If you make like say a dozen mice, put them in like a cute little box, add a note, and that's just so cute. Again, very inexpensive but thoughtful and cute and fun at the same time. I'm sure a little kid would enjoy getting a gift like this. So cute and adorable, good for projects, just fun crafts to do together, and they're so sweet.